clearancing. And what do I mean by that? Well, as we look at this assembly here, when we created it the last time, I basically used the inside of this part to define the width of this. And you can see that there's zero clearance in here. And again, we're giving you methods and ideas on how you can design, but when you go to manufacture this, you have to have the experience and the knowledge on how is this going to be manufactured. And so typically what people will do is they'll use, for example, tolerance blocks on their drawings. When they've dimensioned their drawings, they might have a tolerance block in the corner that says any dimension that's like 1 decimal place might be a tolerance of 5 thousandths. Any decimal that's at any dimension that's at 2 decimal places might be like 2 thousandths or something like that. Another way is you could actually physically model in the tolerance if you wanted to. So for example, I'm just going to press this in a little bit. Let's just go minus 0.02, and you can physically see now there's some clearance in there. So with that said, I'm not telling you this is how you should do it. Hopefully you'll do the research or have the experience on figuring out how would you physically manufacture these parts. There's many different ways you can do this, and what I'm showing here is kind of that in context idea where you're using existing models to create new models, and I'm going to continue with that.